Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel and I'm here with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about a small but important component in construction machines. And that component is ambient pressure sensor. This sensor is also called atmospheric pressure sensor or barometric sensor. If you have ever noticed your excavator or bulldozer losing the power at high altitudes, this sensor could be the reason. So let's break down how this sensor works and why it is important in heavy construction machines. So first we will talk what is ambient pressure sensor. This sensor measures the outside air pressure and sends this data to the engine's ECU. Unlike cars, construction machines work in extreme conditions like high mountains, deep mines, or hot deserts where air pressure changes drastically. This sensor ensures the engine adopts these conditions to optimal performance. Now we'll talk about why this sensor is so important. These are the 4 reasons due to this sensor is too much important in heavy equipment. Number 1, altitude compensations. Number 2, turbocharger efficiency, fuel economy and emission. And number 4, preventing engine damage. So first one is altitude compensations. In high elevations, the air is thinner and it reducing the power of the machine. This sensor helps the ECU to adjust the fuel injections to prevent the power loss. Number 2, the turbocharger efficiency. In modern engines, heavy equipment like loader, excavator, cranes use the turbos. And this sensor ensures turbo deliver the right boost pressure. Number 3, fuel economy and emission. Wrong air pressure readings can cause overfueling or incomplete combustions. In this way, the diesel is wasting and increase in smoke. Number 4, preventing engine damage. Running too lean or too rich under heavy load can causing overheating or excessive wears. So these are the reasons. Therefore, the ambient pressure sensor is too much important in heavy equipment. So now we will talk about the symptoms of a sensor failing and how you can understand our sensor is failed. Number 1, loss of power under load. Number 2, black smoke from exhaust. Number 3, hard starting or stalling. Number 4, check error codes. There also in modern machines you can check the error will appear when your sensor will fail to work. And at the last note, if your machine struggles when moving between job site at different elevations, this sensor might need checking. And if your machine is making problem, you must first check this sensor. Maybe this sensor have the problem. So whether you are operating a bulldozer in high mountains or your crane near a coast, this ambient pressure sensor keep your machine running strong. If this video helped you, hit like button, subscribe to channel and let me know in the comments if you have dealt with this sensor. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.